Hey mathematicians, let's talk about fractions of a group. Sometimes we are finding equal parts fractions of a whole object, like the Mars bar, but sometimes it's not a whole object. Sometimes it's a collection, a group of things. In this instance, we've got these little centicubes. I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 centicubes. And we're going to find some fractions of that group. First thing I like to do is arrange them. Maybe they're all in a mess like this. It's kind of hard to work with. So I have a think about how could I arrange some of these centicubes so that it's a little bit clearer. I'm going to go with maybe 3 in each row. So it's a little bit clearer for me to see what I'm working with. Much better. All right, now let's talk about sharing our centicubes out. Maybe we want to find half of these centicubes. We could think of them as lollies that we're sharing with a friend. We want to find half of them. Now that they're here in this array laid out like that, it's really easy to see what half is. I can just divide them easily like that. And I know that I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So half of these centicubes is 6. That's pretty straightforward. Okay, let's arrange them back again. All right, what if we wanted to find something else? What if I wanted to find what a quarter of the centicubes are? What is 1/4 of the centicubes? I don't know. But again, when they're in an array like that, I can find out pretty easily. I know that a quarter of something, well, I'm going to find 4 equal groups. I could split it into half, and then I could split each of those halves again to find my 1, 2, 3, 4 equal groups. Each of those groups I can see has 3 centicubes in there, so I know that 1/4 of the centicubes is 3. I could also write that as 3 over how many centicubes total? We counted 12. Okay, but what if I'm actually looking for 2/4, not 1/4? Well, again, that makes it pretty easy when it's laid out like this. 2/4 of the centicubes. Here's 2 of the groups that I made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2/4 equals 6 centicubes. All right, so let's go back to a half. 1/2 of the centicubes equals 6. We know that. Another way that we could write that is as a division sum. 12 centicubes total divided by 2 groups shared 2 ways equals how many each? 6. You can see the relationship between your division and your times tables and fractions of a group.